This lesson is so easy. I will briefly explain the rule for you and then you will do the activity alone. We use who when we talk about people. My friend who lives next to me is a world-class player. We use where to talk about places. I'm going back to the restaurant where I left my phone. We use when to talk about time. I remember when I lost my phone. It was yesterday night. We use which to talk about things. The car which parked next to us is very expensive. The second rule is the comparison, when we compare between two things. I'll give you an example for this. My brother is as tall as me. My brother is as tall as me. So as tall as is a comparison. We are comparing between two things. Why do we compare? To show similarity. So in this sentence, I'm telling you that me and my brother are the same height. My brother is as tall as me. If we are not, how can we make the sentence in negative? My brother is not as tall as me. So these are basically the rules for today's lesson. Do the activity and I hope you will get the answers all correct.
Do the activity in the booklet, then compare your answers to the model answer.